President-elect Joe Biden announced who will serve on his COVID-19 advisory board, emphasizing that their first priority will be to control the pandemic.
That's why today I've named the COVID-19 Transition Advisory Board, comprised of distinguished public health experts, to help our transition team translate the Biden-Harris COVID-19 plan into action.
This is important because according to the latest Johns Hopkins University data, we now have over 10 million diagnosed cases of COVID in the U.S. This news comes as Biden has also applauded early results from Pfizer that their vaccine is 90% effective, far surpassing expectations. Biden's experts will advise the incoming administration on how to tackle the federal response to COVID-19. And the list is a lot of the top players in the public health space. So his team will be led by 3 physician co-chairs, and they are David Kessler, who's a professor and former FDA commissioner who served under George H.W. Bush and Bill Clinton, and Vivek Murthy, who was Surgeon General in the Obama administration.
What we're missing is leadership, a leader who inspires us to practice distancing and wear masks.
And Marcella Nunez-Smith, who is a professor who focuses on equity in health.
How do we improve the health of communities, groups, rather than just the individual? And health equity, how do we create an environment where there's opportunity for everyone to achieve their best health and well-being?
Congressional Democrats have already applauded Biden's moves.
It sends the right signal that while the president-elect will not assume office for another few months, his administration will hit the ground running.
The president-elect's advisory board also includes 10 other experts from across the country, many of who've already served in leadership roles in the federal government. Some of those key board members include Rick Bright, who is a vaccine development expert and was the former director of BARDA until earlier this year, when he alleges that the Trump administration pushed him out.
We have the world's greatest scientists. Let us lead. Let us speak without fear of retribution.
Some of the other players are Ezekiel Emanuel, who's a former special advisor for health policy to the White House Office of Management and Budget, and Eric Goosby, who is a professor and founding director of the Ryan White Care Act during the Clinton administration. Biden is likely to make more COVID-related announcements in the coming weeks.